is your device. So this is a charging. This is a charging hub, which is to put your batteries. So this is your extra batteries. So see, there is the arrow over here. So this one need to put over here. So like this. Just slot in. So until the red was not shown. So done. You can charge and then the battery will be charged. So how to pull the other one? Just press these two.
We can carry it in flight, right? No problem.
Yeah, this one no problem, but you need to separate. There is a light, or you bring a power bank to a flight.
Yeah.
Put the lens card, it was like this. You see, there is a hole here. Okay, the hole need to be in the center between these two. Okay, so this one, and then you lock it like this. Here.
Rotate.
Yeah, rotate. Use it. Yeah. Then you see, this one is correct. Same goes with another side.
Two sides, two cap. Two sides, two.
Yeah, two cap. But for if you buy lens guard, you only need to buy one. There is a two side already. Yeah, for both sides.
One set contains two piece.
Yes. So here, so this is your battery. Just pull. You have to slot in your memory card.
You can put it.
Masukkan kamera dulu. Ini line panjang. Hah? Tak boleh panjang lagi. Masuk dulu. Baru boleh tarik.
So this is your charge.
C type. C type.
Yeah. So your cable is here.
Okay.
In this watch back.
C type cable.
So I need you to open your apps.
Yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job.